The Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher is a reliable and high-quality kitchen tool that I highly recommend for anyone in need of a sturdy masher. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing reviews, I can confidently say that this product is a great addition to any kitchen. One of the standout features of the Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher is its durable construction. Made from stainless steel, this masher is built to last. The stainless steel material not only ensures longevity, but also makes it resistant to rust and corrosion. You can trust that this masher will remain in excellent condition even after multiple uses. The sleek design of the Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its stainless steel and black color scheme gives it a modern and professional look. This masher will effortlessly blend in with your existing kitchen utensils and appliances. In terms of dimensions, the Chefcraft Select Sturdy Masher measures 3.25 inch.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.